Imagine this. You're deep in the wild. No Wi-Fi, no takeout, just you and whatever's in your bag. Sounds thrilling, right? Yeah, until you realize you forgot water and sunscreen. That's when adventure turns into, oh no. So let's fix that. Let's build your ultimate survival kit. Fast. First things first, get a tough, waterproof bag. This isn't a fashion accessory, it's your lifeline. Inside, throw in the basics: food, water, fire, first aid, and tools. Think function, not fluff. Granola bars, a canteen, some purification tablets, those little things can save your life. And don't forget, navigation, GPS, is great. Until it dies. A map and compass, old school magic. Add a flashlight tubey, 'cause when the woods go dark, you're gonna wish you had one. Now, let's talk about fire. You're not a caveman, so skip rubbing sticks. Pack waterproof matches, a lighter, and some flint. Fire keeps you warm, cooks your food, and keeps your sanity intact. Pro tip: toss in some cotton balls or dryer lint. They make awesome tinder. Laundry day just became your survival hack. Next, up your knife. Not some flimsy butter spreader. You want a real blade? Strong, sharp, reliable. It's your shelter builder, your can opener, your don't mess with me tool. If your knife could talk, it'll say, I've got you. You'll also need a motor tool. Pliers, screwdrivers, can opener, corkscrew, yep, even that. It's like the Swiss Army's greatest hits in your pocket. Then there's water. No water, no you. Rivers and ponds look nice, but they're basically bacteria buffets. Purification tablets are your best friend. Lightweight, effective, life-saving. Ooh, and bring a collapsible bottle. It saves space and sanity. Let's rope it up. Cordage paracord or nylon rope is gold. Use it for tents, traps, or tying down gear. You can even rig it into a clothesline or a sling. Basically, it's the duct tape of the wilderness. Speaking of duct tape, yeah, bring some. You'd be shocked what you can fix with it: gear, tents, even shoes. If you can't fix it with duct tape, you're probably not trying hard enough. Now, let's talk food. You're not dining at a 5-star, so go simple. Nuts, jerky, peanut butter, high-calorie, non-perishable, and ready to power you through chaos. Lighting, essential. Bring a flashlight, glow sticks, maybe even a flare. Darkness out there isn't peaceful, it's pitch black. And flares. Perfect for signaling rescue or just scaring off nosy wildlife. If things go wrong, and let's be real, they might all need first aid, bandages, meds, antiseptic wipes, and a tourniquet if you're fancy. Keep it small but mighty. Oh, and paper. Waterproof paper. And a pencil. Because when your phone's dead, you'll still need to take notes or leave a "hey, I went this way" message. Trust me, it matters. Pack it all: smart heavy stuff at the bottom, quick access items at the top. Think of it like Tetris, but with your life on the line. And weapons. Optional. But let's be honest, sometimes necessary. A small pistol, a bow, even a slingshot. Use responsibly. You're surviving, not starring in an action movie. Finally, practice. Don't just toss it together and forget it. Know your gear, test it, repack it, because when the moment comes, hesitation is not your friend. So there you have it, your ticket to survival. Simple, smart, ready for anything. The world's wild out there, but so are you. Now grab that pack and go conquer it.